Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing an eyeshadow tutorial. I'm going to be using the Tartelette Toasted Palette. And I'm going to be giving you guys a beautiful bronzy sunset eyeshadow look. Okay, so I've had this palette for a while. It came out like a long time ago, but it kind of smells like chocolate or something. But it's really pretty. Mine is dirty, but yeah, so it's giving me like chocolate vibes. So we're gonna do something like chocolate, sunset, bronzy, yeah. And then it goes with my hair, because I got my hair done and it's like, you know, all those blonde vibes. So we're gonna do some coffee mocha type vibes on the eyes today. And I'm only gonna be demonstrating the eyeshadow, like the eyeshadow today. If you want to know any details about my base makeup, then all that information will be in the description box below. So yeah, if you want to see the look that I come up with, then just keep on watching. All right, so I'll try to bring you in a little closer so that you can see what's going on my eyes. So the first color we're gonna go in with is a warmth. It's this like orangey tone here, and we're gonna blend warmth out. And this palette has a lot of fallout, by the way. We're gonna blend warmth out in our crease like this, and then we're gonna kind of build her up in the crease and just blend it out. So as you can see, I place it on like in my crease, and then I'm just gonna blend it out on the edges and blend it out all over my lid. And one tip for eyeshadow is if you hold your brush like at the end of the on the end of the brush, then it gives you better like application, makes you not be so heavy-handed, and it just overall applies your eyeshadow just a little bit better. All right, so now we're gonna take Cozy, which is this brown shade right here, and we're gonna blend that out into our crease as well. But I'm not gonna bring it all the way into the inner part of my eye. I'm just gonna keep it I'm just gonna blend it out like right in here. So you want to build up, you don't want to get too much product, but you want to make sure you're getting enough so that you can actually, it can show up. And then I'm just going to blend it out right here in my crease, kind of like in this one area. I'm going to blend it down a little bit, but it's just I'm mainly gonna focus it like right here. And you want to build it up, but you don't want to put too much. You just want to like have just enough to where it's giving you a little bit of depth. And then you're going to, of course, do the same thing on the other eye. Now that we have that second shade blended out, second shade blended out, I'm going to go with like a smaller brush. And then I'm going to take Fireside, which is this really, really dark brown here. And I'm going to blend that into my crease. So as you can see, I blended the first shade like up here. And so I'm going to blend Fireside down here because it's a bit darker. And it's a bit darker, so I'm just going to blend it out right here. And first thing I'm going to do is kind of like place it where I want it to be. And then I'm going to blend it out. Okay, so now that I blended out all three of those colors, I'm going to cut the crease. So I'm not really good at cutting my crease with concealer, so what I normally do is just go straight in with eyeshadow. You want to make sure that you're using a precise brush when you do this step, so that you can make sure you cut your crease like sharp. And then you also want to spray it just so the eyeshadow can apply more vibrantly. Yeah, I think that's a word. Okay, so we're gonna go in. Let's see. We're gonna go in with, let's see what Crackle is about. Crackle is this shade here. It's hard to really know what the shades are like because like, okay, let's see what this shade is about. No, that's a no. Okay, we're gonna switch colors. So I'm gonna take, I'm gonna go in with Sunset, which is that shade here. And then I'm just going to blend that over put that on my lid, and I'm going to like see where, when I open my eye, I'm going to see where my lid stops, and then I'm going to apply eyeshadow all the way up to that point. So I'm not going to actually cut the crease, but I'm still going to be cutting the crease, if that makes sense. Like, I'm not actually going in and actually outlining the crease, but I'm cutting it with the eyeshadow. And I'm going to merge the shimmer shade and the brown shade together once I get to the outer portion of my eye, like so. And then once you've done blended, once you put that on your lid, just take the brush you used to blend out the orange shade in the beginning, like the very first shade, and then just go in and blend that out. And I'm doing it over the top of my head because I don't want to be like, I don't want the shimmer shade to move around, if that makes any sense. Hopefully it makes sense. And then after you're done with that, we're gonna apply some liner because we're going for like a smoky look. So I'm gonna apply some liquid liner. Now, if you know me, you know I'm not good with liquid liner, so I'm gonna have to do it off camera. Sorry. If you want a video of me showing you how I do liner, then you can request it in the comment section, and I'll do it for you. But I'm not that good at liner, so y'all, my liner actually looks good. Now they don't look that good because this one is a little bit thicker than this one, but shoot, I'm impressed. That's the best liner I've ever done. Look at that. Look at me, okay? Look at me getting better at wing liner. All right, guys, so here is the finished look. I just went off camera and did my hair, finished my base makeup, put some earrings on. Honey boo, giving you Friday vibes. Okay, period. So here's the eyeshadow look. As you can see, it's really smoky. I tried to smoke it out, not too much because I wear contacts and my eyes get really irritated. So I tried to smoke it out under my eye, but I couldn't do it too much because my eyes will water and mess everything up. But here's the finished look. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, make sure you follow all my social medias. I will leave them on the screen. And make sure you follow my business social medias as well. They'll be in the description box so that you can shop my lash collection. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.